Welcome back to our journey of self-discovery. If you're ready to take a deeper dive into the mysteries of your own mind, then you're in the right place. In Chapter 2, we're going beyond the basics and truly understanding the subconscious mind. This is where the real magic begins. Think back to what we learned in Chapter 1. Your mind is like an iceberg, with only a tiny fraction above the surface. Your conscious mind and the vast unseen portion below representing the subconscious. While your conscious mind is analytical and logical, your subconscious is the silent engine working tirelessly behind the scenes. But how does this invisible powerhouse actually operate? Unlike your conscious mind, which processes one thought at a time, your subconscious mind operates like a vast automatic supercomputer. It doesn't analyze or question. Instead, it stores your beliefs, experiences, memories, and emotions, constantly shaping how you see the world and react to it. Imagine this. When you first learn to ride a bike, it takes conscious effort. You analyze each pedal stroke and balance carefully, but once you master it, the skill becomes embedded in your subconscious. Now you can hop on a bike without a second thought. That's your subconscious at work, processing and automating routines to make life easier. But it's not just good habits that your subconscious holds. Over the years, every negative thought, limiting belief and fear has also found a home there. These hidden programs can act as silent roadblocks, holding you back without you even realizing it. Here's the amazing part. You're not stuck with this programming. By understanding how the subconscious works, you can begin to reprogram it. The key lies in repetition, visualization, and affirmations. Think of your subconscious mind as the soil in a garden. Whatever seeds you plant, positive or negative, will grow. If you consistently plant seeds of self-doubt, your life will reflect that. But if you choose to plant seeds of confidence, gratitude, and possibility, your life begins to bloom in new, unexpected ways. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's how the mind works. Your subconscious doesn't distinguish between reality and imagination. So when you visualize yourself succeeding, achieving, and thriving, your subconscious starts to believe it's true and adjusts your actions and thoughts accordingly. So as we dive deeper into the coming chapters, keep this in mind. The power to change your life isn't some mystical force. It's within you, waiting to be harnessed. The more you understand and engage with your subconscious, the more you unlock your potential. Stay with us as we continue exploring these powerful insights. Subscribe and follow to ensure you don't miss the next chapter, where we'll guide you through the techniques to reprogram your subconscious mind and transform your life. Your journey to true self-mastery is just beginning. See you in the next chapter.